On Sunday the 3rd of June 2018, a Barrow Transport Group trip took us to the North West Vehicle Restoration Trust Running Day at Kirkby. The event took place at the Charliewood Industrial Estate, the current home of the NWVRT. The event primarily sees preserved buses, young and old, running to a wide variety of destinations such as Kirkby Station, Liverpool Lime Street and Prescott. We now take a look at the vehicles that were placed on static display. This is a Dennis Dart, and next to it is a right-bodied Scania. This is an Alexander P-type Volvo B10M, sitting next to a Dennis Dart, lacking a destination blind. This is a Northern Counties Volvo B10M, and next to it is a newly preserved Scania Omnitown. Courtesy of Stagecoach is this gold-branded Enviro 400 Trident. This Marshall-bodied Dennis Dart sits alongside a preserved AEC Reliance. Our group had originally entered Leyland PD2169, however, due to a brake shoe replacement, it had to be swapped for the Tiger instead. Next to it is another Dennis Dart. Here is a Plaxton-bodied Dennis Dart. The single-decker is a Leyland National. The double-decker is a Leyland Atlantean. Another Plaxton Dennis Dart and a Dennis Dominator. A Wirral Leyland Atlantean. A Leyland Titan PD2, followed by an MCW Metro bus. This is a Leyland Atlantean. Its destination blind denotes that it once worked on the Isle of Man. Here is another right-bodied Scania. Sitting next to it is a right-renowned Volvo B10 BLE. Finally, a classic Routemaster. Inside one of the large sheds are an assortment of trade stalls, which are sat in between the numerous buses that are currently preserved here. Little did we know that this little Ford Escort would get donated to the Barrow Transport Group a month after filming. This is because it holds the licence plate of 72, a Leyland Leopard, which is currently undergoing restoration. Back outside now for some more visiting vehicles. This is a Bristol VR. This is a Northern Counties Palatine 2-bodied DAF. This is a Fishwick Leyland Atlantean. We now move to the settlement of Prescott. We stood here for about half an hour, observing the buses that were out in revenue-earning service. a brief flirtation with Liverpool city centre. On the day of filming, replacement buses were in operation for train services to Huyton and Hunts Cross. We now return to Kirkby. This is a Strathtyre Leyland Tiger. This Plaxton Volvo B10 is now preserved by the Workington Heritage Transport Trust. This is a row-bodied Leyland Titan PD3 that was converted to a single-deck recovery vehicle. Next to it is a Dennis Dominator. This is a Northern Counties Paladin DAF, new to ABC Travel in 1996. Here is a Merseyside Leyland Atlantean. This forlorn-looking Bristol RE used to work under Ribble. It is now preserved by the NWVRT.
He's director for the North West for Stagecoach. I said to him, how do you know? I said,
We now come to the end of what has been another enjoyable day at Kirkby. As you have seen, the weather has been kind to us. I would certainly recommend a visit to this running day if you happen to be in the area. There is plenty of buses to see and many rides to be had. If you liked this video and want to stay up to date, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. To ensure that a video reaches your subscription feed, please also click on the bell icon. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter for further updates. Thank you for watching and take care.